separated on the power supply. You can see without this under state of gas or no gas on the other pipe. You can also see the variation of current and voltage during welding on the wire feeder. MIG welding torch can be connected here. Connect the feedback wire plug here. Here is the plug to connect to the power supply. Of course, you can also customize a longer cable according to your needs to make the welding work more convenient. Here you can connect the gas hose to the gas regulator. We can also customize your logo here for your marketing. Let's take a look at the inner side. Here we can turn on or turn off the functions of CC, CV, soap start, GT, for T, wire check, and gas check. The feeding is a 4-roller double drive wire feeding. You can open it here to check the feeding status. When we replace the feeding roller, unscrew the screw and replace it. The wire spool is installed here.